Okay, hello. I think you may recognize this location. You know what I'm about to do. I figured I would make another running video because I'm out of this house next month and I won't have a yard necessarily. I'll have like a little tiny back deck, but no yard to run around in. So I figured that I'd like do as many of these, well, like maybe one more, because I'm fucking lazy. And speaking about being lazy, I fucking came out here in my slides, not thinking. So I came out here in my slides. And I was like, oh, maybe I should go change, but I am downhill, so to get back up, I have to walk, and I just don't fucking want to do that. So, yeah. I'm just gonna run in my slides, and hopefully I don't fall or bust my ass, because that would be really embarrassing, and it would suck. Oh, what the hell just flew around me? Okay, I don't know. This is why I don't like being outside, okay? Too many variables that I don't get to choose. So, yeah, please don't make fun of me for being in my slides. It's really fucking stupid, but whatever, it doesn't matter. Yeah. God, I have all these fucking leaf cover on me. I'm sorry. Let me go run. Okay, run back down. Let's see how I can do this without getting tired at least, or I mean, my one already has a little tired, so I don't think we're gonna get very far. Shit's kind of annoying to come back down. God, people in their fucking loud ass rigs. What is that, 3? Ooh, that's bad. Okay, let me see where I should. Let's see if I can, backwards walk. Backwards run? I guess I can't backwards run. Or can I? Let's try that again. No, I can't. That's hard. It takes a lot more than you think to run backward. Oh, lordy. Oh, I'm slipping out my slides, god damn it. Oh, goodness. God damn it, I look really short. I mean, I am short, but whenever I'm in like full body positions like this, I'm like, dude, why are my legs like so tiny? It's kind of not fair, but what can you do? You don't get to pick. Oh my god. Sorry, I keep talking because I don't want to fucking run anymore, so I'm trying to distract you with chatting. Maybe it's working. Oh god. I need water already. Okay. Let's try sprinting for a second. I don't know if that's in my cards. I mean, I didn't really see a difference between that and my running. Sprinters start off in a different position. They start off like fucking 3, 2, 1, which I'm not doing. Oh, maybe I'll just do a couple more little rock sprints, whatever you want to fucking. Oh god. How many? 4 minutes and 55. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. I'll give I'll give my fastest and best run up for the last one. God, I'm sorry, there's so much leaf shit on my tummy. I always like to keep it kind of clear, but you know. Whew, okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, clearly from this video, you can tell my biggest enemy was when I was younger, the fitness grand pacer test. I don't think I ever passed that in my entire life. Oh my god. Okay, well, you know what? That's that. I'm burning too many calories, so let me fuck off.